Midnight breathing, slow and low, fireflies in stereo, heartbeat glowing emerald bright. I was born in green lightning. Boots in the dust of a quiet road, small town dreams I used to hold. Hand shaking but I wouldn't show, thunder living in my bones. Mama said, baby, take your time. Storms don't ask, they just arrive. When the sky goes dark and white, find the spark inside. Piano echoes soft and clean, like a memory in between who I was and who I'll be, static running through me. Every doubt trying to chain my feet, every voice said it meant defeat, but the rhythm underneath my skin said stand up again. Porch light flickers in my mind, every tear I left behind, every bruise from learning how to carry hope somehow. They saw nerves, they saw fear, but they didn't see what's here. Field of dreams beneath my chest, wild but steady, nevertheless. Wind moves slow through open plains, like healing after summer rain. I may bend, but I won't break. There's too much at stake. I was scared of being small, scared I'd never stand at all. But lightning doesn't ask permission, it strikes with conviction. Slightly, piano filters, soft bass pulls. Sometimes I still feel small, like thunder trapped in glass, like maybe I'm not built to last. But then I close my eyes and I see the sky inside, not black, but alive. Vocaloid harmony rises, layered and echoing. I am not just fear, clap track enters softly, bass groove deep. Storm rolling Vocaloid hums like wind through trees. Small town kid with emerald glow, didn't know how far I'd go, but even when I felt alone, the green lightning led me home.